Welcome to the DigiSyllabus for Socially at Ease. This is the project I'm working on in Unreal Engine. We'll be combining the open source video work with Unreal Engine to make an actual phone app, so that'll be something different. But at the beginning, what we're going to have is this concept reel, and what we're going to show you is your elements, walking, side steps, closing your feet, either closing and changing weight like a march step or rock steps. So the first part is your elements, the next part is some frame, the next part is some tips, and then some example of how the syllabus will help teach you how to move, and enjoy.
Okay. We're going to give you a practice exercise for socially at ease. We're just going to talk about your elbows. So I'm going to have my wipe behind, I'll be slightly in front. We're going to talk about before about having our elbows on the same line, is so that way the lady can match any partner and the partner can match any lady. Then I can just put my hand on a shoulder blade, she can rest here, I can cup this, and then the man very gently squeezes in and the lady holds her frame, and that's it. Thank you very much. There's another home practice to remind you to get your dance frame. You have a nice straight line from elbow to elbow. Not this, not this, not this, elbow to elbow. And this will unfold, either leader or follower. For a Latin movement, I'll still do the same thing. They'll just come out a little bit more, and I'll open it up. But this practice exercise is great for Latin, because if you want to practice your cube of motion, stand in front of a mirror, and as you do your cube of motion, make sure that line doesn't bounce or go back and forth. Hold the line still, switch your knees at the same time, and you can practice cube of motion. Good luck!